Assalamualaikum. The topic I'm going to talk about today is entrepreneurship in Pakistan. Now, entrepreneurship, as the word sound, it's a bit mouthful. It has this strong vibe towards it. Now, people in Pakistan, we're not very familiar with the term entrepreneurship. Being a science student, I heard about it like recently in a few years back. So, what does entrepreneurship means? It means to develop or organize or run a startup or business. It could be a small enterprise, a big enterprise, a social startup idea. It could be anything like that. Basically, the issue with this Pakistan right now is what I believe is that we have so creativity, we have so much ideas, but we are not willing to work on them, and we're just sitting here and we are thinking that the government will work for us. Now, I remember talking to my father about this last night, and when I asked him don't people in Pakistan pursue entrepreneurship, like we are creative, we have ideas, why don't you pursue it? And he told me that it has a very big risk taking factor, because being our parents, they know that every parents want their child to have a job by the time they're done studying. Well, in entrepreneurship, it's a struggle. You may have a job, you may not have a job, you will have to work for like how long, you don't know. Even though if you start working on it, how can you be sure that your idea will succeed or not? So the risk factor is very high, but nobody talks about the benefits of it. I wonder why. Basically, even if you look at China, and China has this big economy with the largest population in the world, and still they are striving and they are the best economy in the world. How come is that? China has small enterprises in every home. They are working on something. When you start a startup or enterprise, you're not just supporting yourself. You're supporting 10, 20, 50 families with you. This is what makes economy strong. You're not just doing something for yourself. You're also thinking about others and you're doing something for them. This is what makes an economy strong. In Pakistan, we have mostly favored the idea of the investment and the investors and what they want. The investors want all this stuff. We have never worked on building ourselves, and I think so. It's time to realize that nobody from outside is ever going to help us like we can help ourselves. We are the youth. We're going to stand up for ourselves, and we can build a Pakistan which is better than this what we have right now, or it's just going to keep downhill from there. Because I'm not a very political person, and I'm not judging any political party here right now, but we all know inside that no political party is going to change anything unless and until we stand up and we do something for ourselves. And just the excuse that the youth doesn't get the platforms and stuff, it's not right. I recently studied on the entrepreneurship, and recently there was this big fund announced by Nawaz Sharif government and also by Imran Khan recently, which will help in start small businesses and learning something useful and stuff. And they have literally tried. And also there are also many private investors, private business fields, they are working on startup ideas, enterprises. They are there to support your idea if it is valid enough. So you need to go out there and you need to start building yourself up. You need to start building yourself up, because that is the only way we can build Pakistan. Entrepreneurship is the new future of the society. If a country is that literally dependent on IMF, on another investment or investors from outside, the political investors, it will always crumble. And the Pakistan we are living in today, it will be worse after 60 years. So instead of staying home and complaining, go out there. If you have an idea, it's creative, it's nice, go out there and risk it. Try. We human beings are the most capable creature because we have a mind. And if we just stick to this risk-free planning of ours, we may never achieve what we want. All the good people that succeed out there, they may not have the best idea, but they had the guts to approach it.